David has such good taste. One in the living room. They're all the same. New. It's all white. These are in for the kitchen. A new floor in this kitchen. In this bathroom. And this is the laundry area. So we have a... So I'm putting tape here so we can get ready to paint the trim. All the walls are painted. So this here's what I'm doing. I'm taking these nails out of this window frame on the outside where these new windows are gonna go in. Somebody has to do it. Might as well be me because I can't do all those things that he can do. There's a wasp nest here in this hole. A wasp just went in. Okay, the new windows were put in yesterday. They look beautiful. They'll look even better after we paint here and get this all painted and trimmed, and it'll look really nice. And we're going to repaint the shutters. So we'll do another picture.
And then a fluorescent light underneath here, I think is what. But it might stick down to. Another post here.
Yeah.
And the stairs were only like this wide. And so it had a little thing, and I thought, well, that would be nice to just have the railings come straight down.
Oh yeah,
So
open it up.
I put another.
Oh, I see. Oh yeah, that's a lot wider than it was.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that better.
But I'm gonna have
Porch.
to cut this and splice it to get rid of that, that burnt part.
This is Cherry of Juniper Rose Rehab Homes. And my husband David has been working out here. We're trying not to work outside right now because it is so hot and humid. It's been in the 90s for the last week, and it's gonna keep being in the 90s for all of this week. So it's not too bad right now. Time to put the back French doors, not double doors. Short video of that, and our two sons are helping. These are all the old windows that we took off the house, and we have someone coming to pick them all up for us. They wanted the windows. Be picking them up, so it's good. We don't have to do anything with them.
I thought I could give it back to you, but I saw it down in the basement. Yeah. So, you want to pay Dad.
Go this way. No, you gotta slide this way. Just slide your bottom this way, Josh. Okay. Lift it. There we go.
Is it in? It looks like it.
There you go. Now you got it.
How's your ankle, Josh?
It's all right.
Is it still swollen?
Nope. Top out.
What was it?
There's a screw into the door, so when it's shipping, the door won't open.
Oh.
Might be one on the bottom too. Probably.
Oh.
I'm assuming there is. I should have thought of that because I knew that was a possibility. Just keep coming down the top. Keep coming. Right there. A little more. A little more. Keep coming. Keep going.
So just those two screws keep the door
think so.
closed.
Hold on. Now do the top.
Well, it's a good thing you checked that before you screwed the whole thing in.
Yeah.
Is that what you do?
No, now I'm screwing this frame up against
That. Oh,
The
that's the
king
frame.
stud.
That's not the door.
into the wall itself. So this is. You can tack one in there.
Oh.
Top needs to come my way a little bit. More. That's even with the drywall. So, I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get. It's. And the weather stripping. I think, let me look at up the middle with that pry bar. Where'd that go? You think it's sagging? No, I think what
sagging.
I'm thinking
That's
that
flat.
this is getting forced up because of the floor.
So do you want to
So
shim the middle and then shim the
so
other?
The kitchen originally did not have a dishwasher, but we're putting one in. So we kind of arranged it around so that we could do that. Was a cabinet before. We're gonna put the dishwasher there and the stove is gonna go here. So you can see that. We figured somebody would really want to have a dishwasher as opposed to a little bit more cabinet space. I know I would. This is our oldest son's truck. He works for UPS, but he does other small jobs on the side for remodeling and art. So in this video, you would have seen our two older sons. We have one more son, but our oldest son is the one who has a side job of remodeling, plumbing. He's taken plumber classes. He knows how to do that, but he works for UPS as a tractor trailer driver for UPS. And our other son works at UPS and he's getting ready to for the package trucks. But they both are really handy, like my husband, with fixing things.